Hi everyone, it's Mary Ellen. This video we are going to cover what really happens when you click on the subscribe button, or you click the like button, or you click the ring the bell button. I know when I first started watching YouTube videos years, 8, 10, 12 years ago, I never subscribed. I never liked anything because I didn't know what it meant. I was afraid if I subscribed, maybe I was going to get a bill from that person, like a magazine subscription, or maybe they would find out who I was and get my address and come and rob me, or maybe they would find my phone number and then change all my social security information. I know that's kind of going a little bit overboard, but sometimes that's how my brain works. I overthink things and I'm just leery. But I wanted to let you know that I'm comfortable now and do subscribe to several different creators' channels. And the reason that I choose the people I do is because I like the content that they create. I like listening to them. I like watching them. They make me laugh, or they make me really think. I just feel like if I met them in person, I would enjoy spending time with them. So it's nice we all have that option. You can subscribe to someone's channel. It's great for you. It's great for me when I subscribe to someone's channel because it's putting that channel into my list of subscribers so that I don't have to necessarily write down the name of a YouTube channel if I want to go back and rewatch someone's video. By subscribing to their channel, I can go into my YouTube settings at any time and click on the tab that says subscriptions, and I will then have a list of the channels I subscribe to and can choose to go in and look at some of their new material or some of the past material. So when you subscribe to a channel, the person whose channel it is, for instance, myself, if you subscribe to my channel, do you like how I put that little hint in there in case you enjoy my content? I will know because I will see your screen name, but that's it. I won't know your real name. I don't know your address. I don't know where you live. I don't know your telephone number. And if you go into your settings and you go to the privacy area of the settings of your YouTube account, you can even set it so that your account is private. So when you do click on someone's channel, they won't even see what your screen name is. So I hope that makes you feel a little more comfortable. It sure did me. And the same thing with when you like someone's video and you like the little thumbs up comes up and you click on it. It's as if you're telling them, hey, I like your content, or that's of interest to me also, or good job. Or for me as the creator, it's like a little hit of dopamine. It's like a free antidepressant. It just, woohoo, it makes me feel happy. It makes me feel like other people enjoy the things that I've decided to make videos about. And that's it. You don't go on anyone's list. Nobody mails you anything. No one calls you. You just show your appreciation. And another great thing about when you subscribe to a channel, there's no monies, there's no payment that you, as someone watching a YouTube channel, has to pay. There's no commitment you're making. You're simply enjoying their channel and you're clicking subscribe because you'd kind of like to see some of the other videos they make. The ring the bell icon, when you click on that, and the first time you hear it ring, I thought, oh, I'm not clicking on this thing because I don't want this bell ringing on my computer all day, but that doesn't happen. What does happen is if you click that icon, that's the ringing bell, it's sending a note. For instance, if you subscribe to my channel and you had hit that bell, anytime my channel posts a new video, you will get one notification for each new video that I post. It won't be like an email and a text, because again, I don't have your information. It's just a notification that comes up next time you go on YouTube saying, hey, this subscriber has a new video. It doesn't keep coming to you like 3 days later and say, hey, you didn't do anything. How come you didn't go and look at that video? Nothing happens. It's just a one-time notification that comes to you. So those 3 buttons, the subscribe, the like, and the ring the bell, very easy. If you choose to unsubscribe, which I hope you don't do to my channel, but let's say you're watching something on YouTube and just by accident, because you were moving your mouse around, you clicked on the subscribe button. Here, it's very easy. Just go back to that channel. And when you look at that channel, where the subscribe button used to be, it's now going to say past tense, subscribed. So it's going to not be red, it will be a darker gray color, and it's letting you know that you are a subscriber. If you no longer wish to be, just click on that. And when you do click on that, you'll notice that it'll automatically come back to the original red subscribe button. So if you wanted to at some other time come back and subscribe, you could do that then. The same thing if you happen to like a video and you didn't mean to, and for whatever reason you don't want your like to be there, just go back to the video, go put your cursor right where where the up button is, and when you click on that icon of your like, it'll automatically go back down. Or let's say the opposite, and you've clicked on it for down, and you're like, oh my God, I didn't mean to give her a thumbs down. Just click on the thumbs down, it'll come back to neutral, and then you can click it to a thumbs up. So it's very easy, and for me, lots of times, if I don't know how to do something, I just don't even let myself engage in it because I don't feel I know enough about it. But it's really easy. The same thing with leaving a comment. You're welcome to leave a comment anytime on my channel. What it does is puts us in touch and lets me know what you're thinking. Again, I can comment back to you. I don't have a way to call you. I wouldn't call you. I wouldn't know where you live. None of that is available to me. I would possibly give you a thumbs up or a heart, and most likely I'll write you back about the comment. So feel free anytime to leave a comment. Sometimes it's a good way to let a creator know that you're enjoying the topic they've covered, but you wish they'd cover more. Or maybe, for instance, in this video, there's some things I'm not covering. Just put it in the comment. Write me a comment that, hey, could you talk more about, what does the settings private mean, or whatever. So it's just a way for us to communicate if you want to, but you don't have to. And if by chance you do write a comment on my channel or someone else's, once again, you always have the ability to go right back to that comment and click on it, and it will give you a chance to delete it. The other things I wanted to mention, because I've had some of my friends and family ask me that They watch a lot of YouTubes, but they don't know they have an account. So the way to find out is you do have to have a Google account. So you would first go to google.com and set up a Google account. And from there, you would be able to set up a YouTube account. And in case you're not aware, it is free. It's at no charge to set up a Google account. One of the good things about it is it gives you a Gmail email address. So as my young friends have told me years ago, sometimes it really ages you if you still have an AOL.com email address or a yahoo.com email address. So it's very easy to set up and get a Gmail account. I'm not sure how many, but with one account you can have, I think it's up to 5 different emails off from that one Gmail account. So especially if you're in the job market or you're filling out applications or you have your resume, it does kind of raise people's eyebrows when they see your email is something from 20 years ago, an account, as opposed to a Gmail or something else that's not as old as AOL.com. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but. So I hope the information I shared with you today was of interest. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, if there was something that I didn't clearly cover, if you have any other ideas for topics you would like me to discuss on this channel. If you do enjoy listening to me, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel. It really would mean a lot, and I would really like it if you liked this video. But you don't have to. Just keep coming back, watching. Stay in touch. Hang in there, and know that I care about you. Thanks for watching.